Hi everyone, welcome to the Data Science Hong Kong channel. It's Morris here. So as you can see right here, help us better understand COVID-19. So it's unusual times that we're in now, and a lot of us have stayed at home most of the time, hopefully. So a lot of people start to, ask around, hey Morris, I want to actually take this opportunity to learn something about data science in Python. Where should I start? So I think there's tons of great resources out there. In fact, maybe too many, and you can almost learn anywhere, at any pace, at any level that you want. But today, I want to introduce you the website Kaggle and the micro courses that Kaggle offers. I think it's a really underrated resources, so I'm going to walk you through here today. So as you can see here, it's Kaggle. If you haven't heard of Kaggle, it's like a data science social platform, social network that data scientists can hop on and actually learn more about different aspects of data science. So a lot to cover here, but today I'm just going to focus on one thing, which is the micro courses of Kaggle. So we can see here this kaggle.com website. So we actually load up the website here so you can navigate to courses. Sometimes it would be hidden this way. So all you need to do is click the hamburger menu and click the courses. And then when you get to there, you would see tons of really, I think it's really handy, really pragmatic micro courses that you can start with. A lot of times, some of the courses are going to very detailed, different aspects of all sorts of data science and Python, which is good. But from my experience, there's an usually very overwhelming to beginners. So I think this is a great place to start. And you can almost learn basically, I would say 80% of what traditionally we think about data science is about. So you can see from Python, a little bit of machine learning, feature engineering, all the way for deep learning, and also SQL, machine learning, and also some of the more specific fields like natural language processing. So obviously, I've been trying out this. I think it's really great. But if you're really absolute beginner, where should you start? So let's have a look at actually Python. So a lot of people, obviously there's a lot of hype around Python. So let's go in, and then you would see different lessons that Kaggle MicroMaster offers here. So, and here it's really nice to actually tells you about what it prepares you. If you want to learn about machine learning, so you can actually go through this course first, micro courses first. And you can actually it will actually set you up to more advanced machine learning or data science concepts. So how does it look like? So basically, for example here, Hello Python, let's go into it and have a look. So when you click into it, you would see this website here. We call this actually notebook, but let's not go into details here. Basically, you just go into here, you can see a website. And you can read on to see what Python is, some examples here. I think it's pretty easy to understand, if you add something, 0 plus 4 is 4, yeah, something like that. So you can go on and read on. And what really nice is after you've been reading it all over, it's a little bit lengthy here. So you can actually click on the first programming exercise. And what it essentially does is it actually directs you to an environment here that I've opened up already, that you can actually just try it out and code here. So for example, you can click on different cells here, and you can just run Python code. For example, here, successfully runs on Python code. Let's try one more cell. So these are some of the things that you need to import in order to try the courses. And you can actually start to answer questions here. So all you need to do is type something here. Obviously, that's not the way you Python, but you can actually check the answer here, and it will give you some hints sometimes. So I think it's a great resources to start with. If you are, going through so many Python resources and not sure which one to decide for, this is one of the great resources that I recommend. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.